Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pickled cabbage and carrots using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 1 small head of cabbage and 2 medium carrots. Shred the cabbage thinly and julienne the carrots into thin strips, about 2 inches long. Make sure to wash your vegetables thoroughly and pat them dry before moving on to the next step. This preparation ensures a crisp and delicious pickle. Now let's prepare the pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of pickling salt. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors, and for extra zest, consider a ½ teaspoon of dill seeds or mustard seeds. Heat this mixture gently until the salt and sugar are fully dissolved, then let it cool to room temperature. With your brine cooled, it's time to pack the vegetables. Tightly pack the shredded cabbage and julienne carrots into a clean 1-quart jar, pressing them down firmly. Carefully pour the cooled brine over the vegetables, making sure they are completely submerged. If needed, use a fermentation weight to keep them under the liquid. Seal the jar and let it sit at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. After the initial pickling period, transfer your jar of delicious pickled cabbage and carrots to the refrigerator. The cold temperature will slow down the fermentation process and keep your pickles crisp. They are ready to enjoy immediately and will stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. These pickles are perfect as a side dish or a topping for sandwiches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.